Hello friends, myself Dr. Ashok Shah, Assistant Professor of Biochemistry. Today we are going to talk about serum cholesterol. The molecular formula of cholesterol is C27H46O. So one molecule of oxygen is there, 27 carbon atoms and 46 hydrogen atom. It is an abundant molecule of sterol found in the body fluids or our blood, which is also called as the animal or human sterol. So what in fact is serum cholesterol? जैसा कि आप लोग जानते हैं, it consists of LDL cholesterol, HDL cholesterol and VLDL cholesterol. That's why it is also called as total cholesterol. तो हम बात कर रहे हैं इसी total cholesterol estimation की, right? So why to estimate cholesterol level in our blood? हमें क्यों ज़रूरी है समय समय पर कोलेस्टेरॉल एस्टिमेशन करने की? What is the importance of this cholesterol estimation? तो कोलेस्टेरॉल ये ऐसा चीज़ है, it is the causative factor for many diseases like it causes atherosclerosis, many cerebral hemorrhages, thrombosis. It may causes the other cardiovascular diseases which includes myocardial infarction, then coronary heart diseases, heart attack, etc. So what is the normal range of serum total cholesterol? तो serum total cholesterol का normal range जो होता है वो 150 से 200 मिलीग्राम परसेंटेज होता है. It is 150 to 200 मिलीग्राम परसेंटेज, right? जब इससे ज़्यादा हो जाता है, when the blood cholesterol level goes more than 200 milligram per deciliter or percentage, then the condition is called as hypercholesterolemia. Conditions or situations when we get these hypercholesterolemias are, for example, primary hyperlipoproteinemias, mixed edema, diabetes mellitus, nephrotic syndrome and obstructive jaundice too. Okay, there are few situations when the patients may have the lower blood cholesterol. In fact, the low blood cholesterol level is good, but too much low blood cholesterol level is also dangerous. Those situations are, for example, hyperthyroidism in case of severe liver damage, then malabsorption syndrome and pernicious anemias. So these are the situations when we have low blood cholesterol level. Okay, so the dietary factors that influences or that could lead to high blood cholesterol level in our daily life. As you know, जैसे कि हम जानते हैं, हमारा खाने में हम जो यूज़ करते हैं फैट्स, पर्टिकुलरली फैट्स एंड ऑयल्स, तो इनमें क्या होना चाहिए? सैचुरेटेड फैटी एसिड्स कम होना चाहिए. बट हम क्या करते हैं? द फूड और द डाइटरी आइटम्स विच वी प्रिफर, दे मोस्टली contains the high fat diet followed by high carbohydrate diet. For example, if we consume more red meat or the egg, particularly the yolk part, that is yellow part of the egg, that contains high amount of cholesterol along with the saturated fatty acids. तो हमें इस चीज़ से बचने के लिए क्या करना होगा? So we need to consume more amount of polyunsaturated fatty acids. So polyunsaturated fatty acids, what they do, they upregulate the LDL cholesterol receptors and it enhances the further catabolism or the breakdown of cholesterol which is very rich in LDL. What are the common lifestyle modifications which we can adopt to lower the cholesterol level in our blood circulation? We need to be dependent on particularly vegetarian type of diet. Then regular exercise, contain high fibers in our daily diet, routine diet. We should avoid stress, then smoking or the alcohol habit, and we should also maintain the ideal body weight. So these are the lifestyle modifications which we need to implement in our daily lifestyle to lower the blood cholesterol level And you know that the blood cholesterol level, once it goes up, it is the hub, or you can say it is the factory for so many diseases, particularly the heart diseases, right? Therefore, we are going to estimate the serum cholesterol level in our blood. तो serum cholesterol estimate करने के लिए we use very simple, cheap and best method, that is Jack's method. So, as you can see in the picture, the principle of Jack's method include: in a strong acidic medium, the cholesterol molecules first undergo dehydration to form cholester 3,5 diene, and then oxidation and sulfonation by concentrated sulfuric acid in the presence of ferric ions as catalyst to form red or pink colored compound. This compound is directly proportional to the concentration of cholesterol which is present in the solution, and it is measured optically at 540 nanometer by using colorimeter. So in the practical part of cholesterol by Jack's method, again we need to divide the procedure into two parts. That is, first part, we need to make protein free filtrate sample, and then we need to analyze that protein free filtrate supernatant for the cholesterol estimation. So the first part, पहला पार्ट जो कि प्रोटीन फ्री फिल्ट्रेट सॉल्यूशन हम बनाएंगे, उसके लिए क्या करना पड़ता है, लेट अस सी. वी नीड टू लेबल द ट्यूब्स एज टेस्ट एंड स्टैंडर्ड. टेस्ट और स्टैंडर्ड के नाम से टेस्ट ट्यूब को लेबल कर लेंगे. देन टेक 200 microliter, that is 0.2 ml of serum sample into the paste tube. (200 microliter of serum sample into the test, that is T), and similarly 200 microliter of the cholesterol standard. Into the tube, yes, for cholesterol standard. After that, we are going to add 9.8 ml of ferric chloride into both the tubes. You can see the formation of milky white appearance here. Similarly, again we need to add 9.8 ml of ferric chloride reagent into tube. Yes, that is standard one. So once we pour the 200 microliter of serum sample followed by 9.8 ml of ferric chloride into the test and standard both the tube, we need to take the spatula and we need to stir it or mix it thoroughly for 15 minutes so that we can extract cholesterol from the sample. After thoroughly mixing for the 15 minutes for both the test and standard sample, we need to centrifuge it. अब इसको क्या करना है, हमें सेंट्रीफ्यूज करना है फॉर 10 मिनट, 10 मिनट के लिए सेंट्रीफ्यूज करना है. Similarly, we need to mix thoroughly in the standard sample also for 15 minutes continuously, right? And so we need to centrifuge it for 10 minutes at 1000 revolution per minute, and we need to press the start button. Let us proceed for the second part, that is estimation of cholesterol sample. So हमने अभी क्या किया, सुपरनेटेंट सैंपल तैयार किया, कैसे, फ्री फिल्ट्रेट बना के, है ना. तो अब हम क्या करेंगे, कोलेस्ट्रॉल को एस्टिमेशन करेंगे बाय यूजिंग सुपरनेटेंट सॉल्यूशन, राइट. सो अगेन हमें क्या करना है, 3 टेस्ट ट्यूब लेना है इसके लिए, एंड तीनों टेस्ट ट्यूब को वी नीड टू मार्क देम एज बी फॉर ब्लैंक, टी फॉर टेस्ट एंड यस फॉर स्टैंडर्ड. ठीक है, तो 3 टेस्ट ट्यूब हमने दिया. अब तीनों टेस्ट ट्यूब में हमें क्या करना है कि आप लोग देख रहे हैं, आफ्टर सेंट्रीफ्यूजेशन व्हाट हैपेंस, द प्रोटीन गट सेटल्ड एट द बॉटम. प्रोटीन जो था वो नीचे बैठ गया है, एंड द सुपरनेटेंट सॉल्यूशन विच इज कंसिस्टिंग ऑफ ओनली कोलेस्टेरॉल पार्ट दैट वी आर गोइंग टू एनालाइज, राइट. तो हमें क्या करना है, इसमें से 5 ml from test, 5 ml of supernatant is to be poured into test, right. Every time we perform the pipetting, we need to rinse it thoroughly with the distilled water. Okay. Then again 5 ml of supernatant from the standard one is to be poured again into the standard, that is standard. Again we need to wash with distilled water. Okay. And for the blank tube, we need to put 5 ml of ferric chloride reagent. Five ml of ferric chloride reagent. So once we have added all those ingredients or the reagents, all those reagents, we need to mix them thoroughly and incubate them at 60-degree temperature in water bath. So after adding 5 ml of supernatant from the test into the tube test and from the standard into the tube standard, similarly for blank we need to add 5 ml of ferric chloride solution. Now we need to add 3 ml of concentrated sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4, into all the tubes. Sulfuric acid into all the tubes, 3 ml. While pouring sulfuric acid, we need to be very careful because it is the concentrated acid and it may corrode our hands. So while handling it, we need to be very careful. ओके तो सारा रिएजेंट डाल चुके हैं हम एंड वी नीड टू incubate them at 60 degree centigrade temperature in water bath for 10 minutes, and after that we have to take the reading, that is optical density, at 540 nanometer. To the water bath which has already set for 60 degree centigrade temperature for 10 minutes for the purpose of incubation. You can see here we have adjusted the temperature at 60 degree centigrade, right? So 60 degree centigrade for 10 minutes. Okay friends, so after 10 minutes of incubation we need to take out the sample from the incubation. Okay, now you can observe the development of pink color. Can you see the pink color here? Into the test and standard. Okay. This is test and standard. That's the formation of pink color. Okay. Take the readings at 540 nanometer. Okay, so while analyzing or taking the optical density, we need to make the machine's observance at 0 by using blank sample, right? So blank sample we have used here at 540 nanometer. You can see here it is 540 nanometer I have selected here, right? And here with the blank we need to set 0. Okay, so with the help of blank solution we have set the optical density at 0.00. Now we need to throw this blank and we need to pour the standard. Every time while we are taking the reading, we need to wipe out the excess amount of water or any liquid over the surface of the tube. Okay, so standard is 0.28. We need to note it. इसको हमें नोट करना चाहिए 0.28 क्या है हमारा स्टैंडर्ड. ओके, सो after the standard we need to measure the test one. क्या करेंगे, टेस्ट का वैल्यू नोट करेंगे. So टेस्ट का वैल्यू क्या है 0.36. In the calculation part, the concentration of serum cholesterol in milligram per deciliter would be calculated as absorbance of taste divided by absorbance of standard into 100 milligram per deciliter. So the absorbance of taste was 0.36 and absorbance of standard we got was 0.28. So after calculating we get 128.57 milligram per deciliter as the serum cholesterol. Therefore, our result would be the concentration of serum cholesterol equals to 128.57 milligram per deciliter. So this is the final concentration of cholesterol in the blood sample of given sample. Thank you.